You're looking for lighting that you can simply, press a button or use a remote control and place anywhere imaginable. These puck lights may be something that you are looking for your lighting needs. Place them anywhere imaginable, anywhere that has metal. Use the self-adhesive and use the wall mount adapters. And if you want to use a remote control, you simply hit the color you want, like so. Pick a color of your choice, and these lights will do everything imaginable. We're going to show you what they're about and what you get inside. From Tedmos, we have, here's a puck light. It's a 4-pack hanging light, 2600 milliamp battery with 13 captivating colors. It could run up to 60 hours of runtime on the lowest setting. With the brightest level for 12 hours of runtime at 150 lumens, it's a self-adhesive, magnetic backing, and can simply be hung on L brackets located on the side. You have 4 L brackets. You have 4 lights in a nice bag. The light has the self-adhesive backing, an on and off switch, USB-C appliance, tap to turn on, long press to dim and brighten. In the accessory kit, you get 2 charging cables, a remote control, the hardware, and 2 AAA batteries, and an additional self-adhesive. Remove the backing to put in your batteries. Going over the product, on your right angle, you have 2 drilled out holes, adhesive that you simply stick on the wall, or grab the screws and find a spot on your wall to hang down. On the metal plate, the back white is your self-adhesive, and your front you peel off if like, and stick to the wall. Before using your puck lights, please charge your unit with the Y adapter USB-C, plug into an optional USB charging port, and charge away. Takes up to 3 hours to fully charge. You have a red LED indicator that will turn green. At 5 volts, 0.8 amps. When ready to use, slide the switch from the left to the right, facing down. Slide it up, place one on the wall, like so. All you need to do is simply press, and you have light. Or use the remote control to turn off and on your lighting. The unit has a timer and 13 different creative colors. Going over the remote control. This is the remote control and what it looks like. You have an on and off, a timer, a smooth and a fade, an increase, decrease in lighting, the white color, and your RGB coloring. We're going to take one off of the wall, place it down on the table, up and down, and shut the light off so you can get an idea of what this looks like before we do the installs. The lights have a memory where they left off at. As we turn the lights on, we could go for a timer. We're going to go into the smooth and show you what the lights are going to do. They're going to fade in and out of each individual color, 13 of them. We're going to change this over to fade so you get an idea of what fade looks like. This is what fade is. It's a little faster, in and out. We're going to dim down the light and increase the light. We're going to change it back to white. And we're going to go into the solid RGB coloring. The second color, the third color, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, the 10th, 11th, and 12th. And we'll go to the color fade, the 13 different accents. Put the lights in a cabinet, a showcase, in the kitchen, your gaming room, your hobby room. Bring it anywhere. Put it behind a TV set. Put it on a wall. Put it in your car, take them anywhere imaginable. You have 4 puck lights that are separate. You can use it as a flashlight as an emergency outage. They last a very long time, 12 to 80 hours. You want to put it on the kitchen door. You want to put it inside the kitchen door. Stick it underneath the cabinet to light up. Manually press it, so this way when you come in, do not disturb others. We need to accent this back corner, so we take the label, peel it off, let it fall onto the magnet, center it, and lift up. And it higher. And when you want to shut the light off, cycle through the colors. And off it goes. Turn it on, it's a simple press. If it's too bright, hold it and it decreases down. Hold it again and it increases up. Or simply use the remote control to turn it off and on. I use this as a flashlight to walk. If I want to stick it on a magnet door, I may do so. And that's what these things are good for. Put them anywhere imaginable. Put them on top of a door that is magnet as well. And you got light. So this way when you open up, you're able to see what you're doing. I need a light over here so I can see. I place it up and I got myself a nice night light. With the remote control, all 4 lights go on. And we're going to set up for smooth. And if we want to put one light on solid, we just simply go over and press that light to change the color scheme, like so. If you want to resync the light, just simply go with the remote control back to white, and they will sync back up. And then hit smooth, and you're able to change your colors of your choice. These are the accent lights, great for gaming, shelving units, and more. This is something that you may be interested in. Self-adhesive, wall mount, or stick up on the wall, magnet wherever you need light. They come in many different colors. Check online for further detail about your product. And thank you for viewing.